Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, June 27th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. I should start this video today by waving a white flag. Man, we really got socked today. You know, I've talked about, well, I don't know how much you might remember, but we have what I call outlier trades from time to time. These are trades that, you know, they're really unusual, atypical. They're outside the normal kind of trades we take. And, you know, I can name a dozen of these that we've had fairly recently, and they were all positive. And let's just say, for the sake of defining our terms, that an outlier trade is anything that goes over $5,000 one way or another. Well, the problem with outlier trades is that they're not always positive. Sometimes they can go negative. And what happened today is the stars lined up all wrong for us, and we ended up with two negative outlier trades in the same day. And what happened to us, we had one trade in Unipixel, which was almost negative 7,000, and another in Mankind Corporation, which was negative $7,000. You know, $14,000 between just two trades today. That hurts. That hurts your equity. It definitely does. And one of these, we had a very unusual situation on Mankind Corporation. It's what a day of entry stop out. In other words, we got into this trade and out the same day. We very rarely get those. Maybe 2 or 3 a year at the most. Anyway, it happened today in Mankind Corporation. So in the overall market, you know, should not have done that to us. These were just weird outlier trades. But anyway, bottom line, add it all up, we closed out negative $12,000 today. We are carrying positive $1,600 over the weekend, so I'm not going to lose sleep over the weekend. The damage has already been done, and the Dow ended up closing up 6 points after being negative most of the day. So there's no reason by the overall market action that we should have had a terrible day, but we just got caught in a couple weird trades. That's the best I can describe it. Anyway, I'll show you the charts. Okay, we're looking here again at the Dow, and as I say, despite our terrible day, this action in the Dow doesn't look bad to me at all. I told you that, you know, we had basically what I would call a bull spike yesterday, right at the beginning of the day. It did come back. It's started to do something pretty similar, and it did get fairly low today. I mean, this market was negative most of the day, but then we see this great recovery at the end, which is, and taking out previous highs and everything else. There's no question that this is very positive looking for the Dow. And again, I'm gonna go out on a limb and predict that next week we will get above 17,000 in this, and this is going to help us. We'll have good markets if that does happen, but overall these charts look very positive for the Dow. Obviously I don't have anything in terms of good trades to show today. I will show you the one monster we had. This is a day of entry stop. This is very unusual for us. As I say, you know, maybe 3 a year of these do we ever see, but it happened today. It happened in Mankind Corporation. I have not got on the internet and found out what the fundamentals behind this were, but what happened with Mankind, we had a spike up coming out of a very narrow range, and that gets us in right there. And then in the same 15-minute period, it just crashes and then we get into this second bar, and it continues it, and we're stopped out on the day of entry stop right there. So all this action, buying and selling, probably took place in no longer than 15-20 minutes, and that costs us $7,000. I mean, that really hurts. Now, all I can say in my defense is you can't trade all these markets all day long and all year long and not just run into occasionally something really weird happening. And the positive thing about this is the really weird stuff can work in your favor too. It did not work in our favor today, and we got slammed. So we have total losses today of $12,000 in closeout trades. Now that sounds pretty grim. It's a bad day, that's true, but hey, you know, we can recover from a $12,000 loss easily in one good day. We can double that in terms of recovering from it. So I'm not going to worry about it. No reason to sweat it. But this kind of stuff happens, and this is why trading is a tough business, and not everybody can do it. Anyway, that's my philosophy for the day. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.